Hey y'all, today's video is about Unity Asset Manager and some of the new tools that have come to UAM in the last few weeks that I want to point out as this tool becomes more and more useful in an everyday workflow. So the first thing that I want to do is go ahead and add an asset. Some of these steps I'm not going to take as much time on as I have previously, just because I have videos on those. I'm specifically covering optimize and convert. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to upload and upload an entire folder, because I'm actually going to be coming in here and doing a full assembly file, sub-assemblies, and part file upload. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and specify this inventor files folder, and I'm going to hit upload. Let's go ahead and hit yes. Go ahead and upload that for me. So if I move myself out of this corner here, over in the bottom left, you're going to see this load in and all of the files will upload. Because I've done a video on the upload piece previously, I'm just going to cut to once it's all in. All right, so the file just uploaded. That took about 40 seconds. I'm going to now have a drop down next to Inventor Files. Come down to where I see the motor group IAM. Select that, and then I have Optimize and Convert up here. The other thing I want to do, just so that we can see what it is come over here to the right, hit the three dots, and go to Generate Previews. So it's now going to run two transformations for me, and you can see the previews being generated. So I just want to point out again, while these are generating, how impressive this is, that I am pointing to an assembly file, a non-polygonal parametric data set, and saying, hey, I want to see this. And in doing all of this and creating the previews, I am effectively running an algorithm in the background that converts it all to a polygonal mesh, then exports that as a GLB, and then uses that GLB as a preview of the device. All right, so this has taken another 30 seconds maybe, and if I pull up any of these files, it just finished running all the transformations. So let me go ahead and hit save. Let's take a look at these files very quickly, and then I'll jump right back in and we'll do the optimize and convert. So here's that 3D file. Again, this is a polygonal mesh that we're looking at as a preview. Very quickly came through, and I'm super happy with it. Now if I want to go into edit, it's going to allow me to edit this piece. I can come back down, and you can see the preview here has been created of the PNGs and the GLB. If I come into the inventor files, come back down to motor group IAM, and after clicking optimize and convert, we have a few options. So we have mesh cleaning, which will enable the optimization to delete duplicated objects, small objects, and all objects not visible from the exterior. We have merge optimization, which is going to merge a lot of the hierarchy. It also includes what the downsides and upsides are here of things like potentially losing metadata if you do too many merges. You can also specify a polygon target. So let's just say, hey, I want a flat 50% of where I'm at right now. Say the output name is low poly. And I'm going to export an FBX and an OBJ. So now that I've done all of that, I can hit run optimization. All right, so that's taken maybe another 25 seconds to get these files converted and exported. It's also worth noting, probably at this point, that just in case you're wondering as far as access to this, everyone has access to it as far as I know that has Unity Pro, Unity Enterprise, Unity Industry. The free license still has access to Unity Asset Manager, but some of these tools that'll do automated data ingestion and converting are reserved for those tiers. So now we go into this optimize and convert folder. We see FBX, we see OBJ. Our FBX is 6.3 meg, and our original folder is 60 meg. So we've done a really good job here. We've exported both of these file types, and we've really not lifted much of a finger other than to click a few of these buttons. Now what I've also done is taken that low poly FBX, pulled it back into Asset Manager as its own asset, and just generated a preview from here. And I find it really fascinating how much data it preserved, which is great. So I hope that this was helpful. I know that this video was pretty short and sweet, but I hope y'all are having a great day. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.